If you're seeing Steam error 55, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error usually happens when the Steam service on your computer can't communicate properly with Steam or with one of your games, and that can stop a game from launching even when everything else seems fine. The good news is that there are a few simple fixes you can try, and most of them take only a couple of minutes. If this video helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, the easiest thing to try is running Steam as an administrator. This gives Steam the extra permissions it may need to communicate with the service correctly. To do that, find your Steam shortcut on the desktop, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes. Once Steam opens, try launching the game again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, this alone can solve the problem because the Steam service may simply have been blocked from doing its job properly. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing to check is your antivirus software. Security programs like Avast, Bitdefender, or Kaspersky can sometimes mistake the Steam service for a false positive and block it without you realizing it. That can prevent Steam from launching games correctly. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus protection and then try opening Steam and starting the game again. If the game launches normally, then you found the cause. If that happens, you may need to add Steam to your antivirus whitelist or exception list so it stops interfering in the future. Just remember to turn your antivirus back on afterwards so your computer stays protected. Now let's move on to repairing the Steam service itself. Sometimes SteamService.exe can get stuck, corrupted, or improperly installed, and repairing it can fix the communication issue. First, make sure Steam is completely closed. You want it fully shut down, not just minimized. Then press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run box. In the field, type the Steam Service Repair command. If Steam is installed in the default location, you would use /program files x86 /steam/bin /steamservice.exe/repair. If you installed Steam somewhere else, adjust the path to match your setup. After entering the command, press Enter. A small terminal window may appear briefly and then disappear. That means the repair process is running. Once it finishes, reopen Steam and try the game again. This step is especially useful if SteamService.exe has become damaged or isn't behaving the way it should. If the problem is only happening with one specific game, then the next step is to verify the game file integrity. This checks for missing or corrupted files and lets Steam replace them automatically. To do that, open your Steam library and right-click the game that's giving you the error. Choose Properties, then go to Installed Files. From there, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game and compare your files against the official version. If anything is missing or broken, it will download the correct files and repair the installation. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so let it finish completely before launching again. After you've tried these steps, test the game one more time. In most cases, one of these fixes will clear up Steam error 55 and get everything working again. If the issue was caused by permissions, antivirus blocking, a broken Steam service, or corrupted game files, you should now be back in the game. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes, Steam troubleshooting, and simple tech guides. And if you want, I can also help you with more Steam error fixes in another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.